Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add WhatsApp business number on a Facebook page. And as you can see here, I have my Facebook page opened. Alright, now what we're going to do here basically is just go ahead over to the intro section. Alright, now once you're in here, go ahead and click on edit details. Alright, now what we're going to do next in this section, contact info, you're going to see add WhatsApp number right here near a plus sign. All right, just go ahead and click on it if you're using a computer and tap on it if you're using a mobile device. All right, as you can see here, my WhatsApp has already been detected by my Facebook page. If not, just go ahead over to this drop down right here to select the country code. All right, once done, type in your phone number, and after that, just go ahead and click on send WhatsApp code, and the code will be sent to your WhatsApp mobile app. Just go ahead and open it up, then type in the code. All right, as you can see here, add WhatsApp button. You've connected the WhatsApp account to your page. Now, would you like to add a WhatsApp button to your page? This button sends people directly to WhatsApp so they can send you a message. If you already have a button in your page, this button will replace the existing one. You can go ahead and skip or add the button. All right, I'm going to go ahead and skip this one because I already have a button in my page. So post with a WhatsApp button. You can go ahead and skip as well or create a post. I'm just going to go ahead and skip this. All right, and cancel. Done. As you can see here, my WhatsApp number has been added. And there you have it. When we check on our profile again, I'm going to refresh the page. All right, now I'm going to go ahead over to edit details. And as you can see here, a WhatsApp icon with the WhatsApp number has already been added. If you want to make this public, just go ahead and tap on the slider right here to toggle it on. All right, and that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.